Scaling without hiring a big team. Hi, Queens. Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're going to destroy the myth that scaling your business means hiring a big team, managing a bunch of people, or turning into someone else's boss. I'm here to show you how to scale lean and scale smart so you grow your revenue without losing your time, freedom, or sanity. Let's start with the obvious. Scaling means increasing revenue while keeping time and energy output the same or lower. If you're growing your income, but also doubling your hours and multiplying your responsibilities, that's not scale. That's self-exhaustion with more money. That's why building lean is so powerful. Now, most people think the only way to scale is by hiring an assistant, a coach, a copywriter, a project manager. But the truth is, most entrepreneurs don't have a team problem. They have a systems problem. You don't need more people. You need better processes. Here's the formula. Automate first, delegate second, then optimize. 1. Automate first. Your first hire isn't a person. It's a tool. It's automation. Most of what you're doing daily, onboarding clients, sending emails, delivering resources, reminding people of offers, collecting feedback, can be completely automated. Automations are your silent staff. They work 24/7, they don't get sick, they don't ask questions, and they cost a fraction of what a team would. If you're still manually sending welcome emails, manually invoicing, manually onboarding, you're wasting your bandwidth. Tools like ConvertKit, Thrivecart, Airtable, Kajabi, ClickUp, or even Google Sheets Plus. Zapier can handle 80% of your day if you set them up right. 2. Delegate smart. Only after you've automated should you start delegating. And when you do, delegate execution, not strategy. Your first hire shouldn't be someone to run your business. It should be someone who takes low-leverage, repeatable tasks off your plate. Think. Editing and uploading your videos, formatting and scheduling emails, responding to basic customer service DMs, creating slides or designing PDFs. The goal here is to protect your energy for revenue-producing work, content creation, sales calls, brand strategy, not admin, not tech, not graphics. You don't need to hire a COO to grow to 20K or 50K months. You need a VA who saves you 10 hours a week. That's the kind of move that compounds. 3. Optimize constantly. Once you've delegated and automated, the third step is optimization. This is where you look at your calendar, your workflows, and your delivery process and ask, where am I leaking time? What still depends on me unnecessarily? What could be turned into a template, checklist, or process? For example, if every launch you're writing from scratch, stop, create a launch kit. Turn your best performing email into a reusable sequence. Build swipe files for every type of post you write more than once. That's what a smart, lean business does. The goal of optimization is to create repeatability. That's what makes scale possible. Doing more with less because you're not reinventing your workflow every month. Let's talk structure. A lean six-figure digital brand can run beautifully with one creator, one VA, and one or two strategic tools. That's it. No Zoom meetings, no endless Slack threads, no micromanaging, just high output, low overhead execution. And if you do want to grow a team later, you're building from a strong foundation, one where your business doesn't break if someone takes a vacation or makes a mistake. Because the systems hold it up, not just the people. Final tip. Scaling doesn't mean building a team. It means building leverage. Hire tech before you hire talent. Delegate with precision. And only bring on support that protects your time, not complicates your business. Freedom is built through clarity and efficiency, not headcount.